So I just would like to welcome you guys to the channel. Me, Leo, or the Trippy Experience. We're gonna be starting this as a group project eventually, or maybe his brother will be joining. We're gonna be playing games like White Noise 2, Battlefield, Walking Dead, some games coming out later this year like Fallout 76. Just a lot of the big games. Well, I just wanted to give you guys a few seconds, a few minutes, I don't know how long this is going to be, to say thank you for the support and please support us. Hopefully you like the channel and peace. Leo! Get off of my Leo! I saved you, Leo. I saved you. I noticed, oh, he teleported away because if you get caught as a thing, Leo, don't leave me. Leo, did you just leave me?
No.
Leo? That's a tape, that's a tape, that's a tape. Leo, don't leave each other. Remember, we can get caught with our pants down. Hello? Hello? Bye, Leo. Did we already get it? Oh yeah, see, it says find clue 7. We already found one. Leo, stick with the... Leo? I don't want you to die. Where did what go? Stay with me. I like this game.
Yeah.
Here, stay in the middle. Remember, black guy dies first. Stay in the middle. Hell yeah, you wanna do it?
Yeah.
Why is the old guy leading? He's the bravest of us all. Wanna go to game chat? I wouldn't do that. I can't see you. Leo, you might want to keep your flashlight on because I can't see you in the dark. That was a racist joke, by the way. Well, wait, no, press flashlight off. Remember, we're harder to detect, apparently. Leo? Hello? Oh, there you are. I thought I lost you. There's a tape over here. I don't think there is one. There's stamina, apparently, obviously, but I don't think there's a bar for it. What? We have to, Leo. Leo, don't leave me. Oh no. It's okay. We got each other's back. Just let me know if he grabs you. I need to recharge my battery. Leo, I'm scared. Can I have it or no? Where are you? I need batteries. Like, I'm past halfway the battery point. My flashlight.
So what is it supposed to do?
No clue.
Please don't let me be behind. I already got scared.
Leo? Leo, I lost you. Oh, phew. Please.
Hello?
I need a flashlight thing. Leo? Press triangle. Press triangle. Hello? Hey. I lost you again. Damn. I'm not used to cut grass. I don't know if you can tell, but I've been sneezing a lot. Leo? Leo, I need you. I heard it. I don't know where you are. Don't let it get to me, please.
Over here.
Oh, is it a battery?
Yeah. Button.
Need a battery. Oh, we left our teammate.
Oh, so nice.
Oh, phew, I thought we left him. I was about to be like, oh no.
That way. This that way.
We need 3 more clues. Look at top right.
Okay.
Is that? Oh, battery. Yes. I was about to have no battery whatsoever.
My battery's at
Oh, just press the D-pad.
I got this.
Don't worry, we can do it. Oh, damn it, I meant to say don't worry, we got this.
You got this, Leo. The black guy got this.
This one for mini.
We need 2 clues. What? Where at? Which way?
I don't know. All I know is that he's like constant faces every time.
Press triangle, Leo.
Hello?
Oh.
Everything. Like he's actually scared the hell out of me.
Over here.
We just be walking around all of a sudden he's very scared.
I like this guy. He's nice. Stay in the middle, Leo. You're the black guy, remember? Black guys always die first.
I'm dying dead. Where's my character coffee?
Because you're black. You see those bugs crawling on your screen on the game? I thought they were legitimately real life bugs. It's like, what the fuck?
The first part.
I can't.
You ready to start?
Yeah. Oh no. Did his battery just...
Oh, mine was that.
So was mine.
It's 17 though.
It's this way. Hey, battery, whoever needs it. Someone take it.
The old man, not the old man.
Yeah, he knows what he's done.
I saw.
I feel like he's leaving like traces of him behind, and you're just seeing what's remaining of him.
I feel like there's like one sound where every time
Press triangle, Leo.
it's due
Oh.
where they are, and it keeps catching more and more.
Oh, what is this?
I'm behind you.
That's not what I meant to say.
I need help.
I'm on a flashlight.
What is batteries? Is it down or?
Need batteries.
I heard something.
Did I?
Leo, I'm out of batteries.
What about batteries too?
Fuck.
I saw. They run into the shotgun.
Leo, press triangle.
Hello?
I have a small chunk of battery left, so I'm gonna use it to save you if we need to.
It's like for me, I don't think it's showing
Oh, this way, Leo.
It's this way.
I know that's the way I'm going.
Can't see it. Sigma?
Leo. Oh, phew.
Hey!
We're right here. We're right here. Daddy got you. We should get Fox to get this game. Oh, we passed it.
Need batteries. Need batteries.
So this is over back here.
Leo,
Over here.
Yeah.
I need you. I'm scared.
Hello?
See you, man.
No phone.
I'm scared.
We gotta break sick. Press triangle. Press triangle, Leo.
Hey!
Oh, I'm scared.
So we're gonna go to that thing over there?
Yeah.
I'm lost. Need batteries.
I need batteries.
Need batteries.
So we all need batteries.
Yeah.
Guys, move.
Energy bar.
I need any help.
Oh, yes. Okay. Okay, where are you guys at? Press triangle.
Hey!
Oh, thank God it's batteries.
I got a battery. Where's the old man?
Still no.
Where's the old man? Leo, I threw the energy for Leo. I threw the energy bar for you. I'll throw it for you. Just give me a second. My character might have ate it.
Did you see this food? Get after it.
Uh oh. Okay. Did we do it?
Yes. Thank you.
Oh yes. First game. Okay. Do you gotta go, Leo?
Yeah, I gotta go. Wait, why am I on to the left?
No clue.